Here's my update on my 27-year-old Acura Legend that had significant hail damage and front end collision. Got hit in the front, but I was able to restore it. And with a new core support, which is very rare. You can't find them new. I had it all pre-positioned. I'm going to tack weld it in. I just want to make sure everything lined up correctly. But since I'm against time for paint, I figure it's like, okay, I'll get it painted and I'll get that welded out afterwards. But everything's lined up, thank God. It took a little finagling. This side was good. The other side is what made the impact. But yeah, over here had a lot of hail damage and did a lot of block sanding, as you can see. So I had to do the roof as well. That was pretty bad. And just wanted to take time and effort and make sure it was done right. Most paint shops won't even do this. They'll just do this, barely sand it. And that's where you can see the body work, is if they did a crappy job. And I've had that numerous times on my other cars where I literally walk up and like, I can see exactly where you just did the body work. It's, lack of a better word, is I mean, I won't say crap in, crap out, but you take something that's nice in, and to give you crap, you know, there is sort of money. You know, no body shop would take this amount of effort unless you paid them so much money. And I'm just block sanding this again. That's why it has black paint. Did another primer surfacer. So this stuff goes on thick. And this is like my third coat. And I just want to make sure it was perfect because I had all this hail damage. Took off the trims. You know, want to do right. That one had a really hard time with it. But everything else, you know, it's just about doing the job right. This side on the right, it's actually perfect. I am going to repaint the whole car though. It doesn't make sense, especially with this paint already being 27 years old. It wouldn't make sense. And this is a used hood, by the way. It's not even the original. This one had so much damage, I just swapped it out from the hail. So went ahead and just got everything. I'm going to repaint everything. This is a different front bumper. The original one I do have, but it has so much damage that it was going to take me more time to fix it rather than just get this one. Get rid of all the nicks and everything. Get it done right.